Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Royal Empire. And I have to say it is pretty easy to understand, okay? So there's not so much to explain about this project. I will just show you. I mean, the link is as always in the description. Look here guys. You can stake your BNB here, So there are three different plans, The first one, you will get 120% ROI. That means 6% daily for 20 days, And if you reinvest, you get 5% more. The second plan will give you 200% ROI. That means 5% daily, but it's locked for 40 days, okay? Again, if you reinvest, you will get 5% more. So, third plan, 400% ROI. Listen guys, 4% daily, but it's for 100 days, so pretty long. I mean, depends on your investing horizon, okay? And if you reinvest, you will get 5% more, As you can see here guys, I will show you. Of course, if you want to support this channel, I will put my link in the description. If you consider investing in this, but of course, always do your own research before you invest in any of those projects. If you want to support this channel, use my link. If you don't want to support this channel, don't use it. Or if you don't want to invest at all, don't do it, okay? So guys, let me show you, it's pretty easy. Royal Empire is designed with the intention of helping contributors reach financial independence, I mean, this sounds interesting, but with even with 400% ROI, I mean, you have to invest a really huge amount to get financially independent, And anyway, if you have this money, then you are already independent. If this 4x could make you really extremely rich. But okay, guys, good marketing stuff, okay? So let's go straight to the overview. As I've showed you, we will just keep it short and simple. The plans, as I've showed you before, 120%, 200 and 400%. Lockup period is like 20 days, 40 days, and 100 days. The requirements, we didn't see this before. Minimum investment for plan 1, 0.1 BNB, maximum 35 BNB. Plan 2, minimum 0.2 BNB, maximum 30 BNB. Plan 3, minimum 0.3 BNB, max 25 BNB. So there is also an anti-whale system. That means 36 hours reward accumulation, 24 hours withdraw cooldown, 12 hours reinvest cooldown, maximum withdraw amount per day, 5 BNB, earn passive income, Reinvest or withdraw within the cutoff period, otherwise the rewards will stop. And as we've seen, if you reinvest, you get 5% bonus, a 5% bonus, okay? Withdrawal limit, users can only withdraw a maximum amount of 5 BNB per day. Excess dividends are sent back to the user's account, available for the next withdrawal, One level of referral, that means you will get a 5% bonus. So guys, that's this project. I would say easy to understand how it works, As always guys, always do your own research before you invest in any of those projects. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments and see you.